Hi, this is Michelle. I hope everyone is doing well today. In this video, I am sharing a recipe for pasta sauce. It's fast and easy and much better than the commercial sauces. Now, I've never been a fan of those. There are some that you can get if you want to pay a ton of extra money that have very few ingredients and they taste really fresh. But ultimately, making it from scratch is your best bet for freshness, and you're worth it. So on this one, I cut up some fresh tomatoes. I don't always use them when I make the sauce, but when you add an extra little maybe fresh tomato in there, it really helps the flavor. And I usually have some in the freezer because when a tomato starts to get overripe, I'll just pop it in there. And sometimes I just use those, and it still makes a difference in the flavor. So check it out. So we cut up our vegetables, then we're gonna saute our onions in olive oil, extra virgin olive oil until translucent. Add in your garlic. Let that cook about a minute. Get that nice fragrance in the kitchen. And in this one, I used a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, but you can also just use regular sauce. And the recipe's at the end of the video, but I added about a teaspoon of oregano, some extra garlic powder, no salt, garlic powder, salt and pepper. I use alternative salt in this one. A couple of dashes of Tabasco and a pinch of cayenne. And then you add in your tomatoes and let that simmer while you make your pasta. And I lucked out at HEB and found a package of Central Market pasta, which was imported, and it was a good price. So that's what I got. And it made some really nice pasta. And there it is. If you have any questions, just let me know. And until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.